Hey, it's me, Chef Pat from All Purpose Vegan, and I just graduated from my coaching program. I was with Chef Evelyn from Gourmet Grad School for 12 months. I joined November 27th, 2022, and it's been the best investment for my career, for my life, that I could ever do. Everything that you see me putting together is because of that program. I found Coach Evelyn on YouTube last year. While, if y'all know, some of y'all been following me for years, but last year I was at the peak of exhaustion doing vegan pastry wholesale, macaroons, cookies, muffins. I had several customers, retail customers. I was doing meal prep from 2021 into 2022. I was doing catering. I started doing private dinners. And I was doing all of this on my own. I was doing cooking lessons with Cozy Meal. I was doing something else. But all of that I was doing by myself with no help up until I started doing the dinners. That's the first time I got help. I was doing all of that by myself. So I just say all that to say the 12 months of accountability and the work and the program, while I found it to be very luxurious, it was put together. This is MBA style learning. And I don't have a master's degree. I've been to college, but I didn't even understand what MBA style learning was, and I didn't know it was going to be this intense. But the way it was set up cohesively, the branding, the onboarding, the offboarding, everything in between, the communication, the business hours, the gems, just don't stop. The gems. It was just smooth, made sense. She's accessible. I am telling y'all, if you want to continue in your businesses, you need a coach. Chef Evelyn can coach you in any industry. I know I'll have another testimonial that I'll have to do for her website or whatever, but this is all just top of mind. I just wanted to say this to her. Like, this was phenomenal. And so I want you to understand, when you see what I do next year, you already see it. When you see everything come together, you're going to know it was because of her. It's because of this woman just giving me the tools to pull out the things that were already there. Because I feel like I knew this stuff, but no one took the time to show me how I could actually do it for what I do. I'm just so excited for 2024. I'm excited for the next couple of weeks because I'm leaving the country soon. I'm going on vacation. So, that part. Listen, I came out of this program with all the tools, the information. I've heard this, and she's not saying something I've never heard before. It's the method, it's the way it was taught. It was the way it was broken down. It was the designing the business around the life you want to live. Self-care. And if you ain't talking if your coach is not talking about self-care, I don't know what they're doing. It's not about money. It's about being happy in what you're doing. Time is the most valuable thing that we have. And so for me to be able to confidently move forward in building All-Purpose Vegan, the #1 top tier plant-based farm-to-table catering company you ever did see in this side of the 404. Come on now. Like, I'm not just talking. I'm about to do it. You'll see.